Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about office wall decoration ideas, wall decor ideas to take to the office. So the office decor is a rough topic for almost all office workers. When you spend most of your waking hours in this room, you want it to be a place that's inspiring and beautiful. So it's very important. However, when it's not your home office, there is a limit to what decor you can use. So office wall art is one of the most best you can decorate. It's too easy to skip decor altogether if your office is little more than a closet, but even closets have wall space when you cannot fit an extra chair or a bookcase for styling. Think wall decor, and we are not talking about the neutral factory prints. Take a look at these some of the best and gorgeous ideas for office wall decor, and you will have your office feeling like home in no time. So when your office is mostly gray or brown, it will be extremely beneficial to your walls to add some sparkle. Look for a wall sculpture that suits your fancy and make sure it's in a shade of gold, silver or copper. It will really set the tone of your office. So office is one of the most very great place, and everyone wants to sit in an office room. So we want to try and we want should to decorate office wall designs, because there's nothing so official as your own monogram. Whether you make it yourself or buy your letters, hanging your initials in your office will make you feel like the boss of the place. Inspiration is most important. Inspiration is important to help motivate you through the work week slump. Hang a canvas in your office with one of your favorite quotes displayed on it. It could be something work related or just helpful to get your mind back to track. So, bringing plants to the office is always a nice idea, but sometimes it isn't practical or even permitted. If you are pinning from some nature in your work life, find a couple prints that display leaves or flowers or anything from the great outdoors for the same effect. Of course, it doesn't have to be drawings or paintings of nature to be art. Take your collection of shells, pressed flowers, or stones and mount them in a shadow box for your office wall. You will appreciate looking at your favorite nature collection every day. So, wall hangings, it's very great idea to decorate your office wall, because yes, woven wall hangings are still in sense, since you can easily find them in neutral colors like brown, gray and cream, and other colors are here. So they make a nice soft option of your office wall. Your space will feel more like a living room after hanging one of these designs. These are all kinds of options for removable wallpaper and wall murals nowadays. Find one with a fun pattern to create a statement wall and liven up your office in a big way that can find. Don't forget about our beloved gallery walls. Gather together some of your favorite prints, family pictures, and quotes all around the same color for a beautiful cohesive work of art in your office. So different designs are here, and you can collect the ideas, you can get the ideas. When your office space isn't very big, you need to think carefully about how you use the space you have. Buy or make a wall calendar with an aesthetic square, and you will have something that is beautiful and practical. So that is very important to decorate your office. And you heard of the mode board. If your office is a little on the casual side, Go ahead and create a mood board on one of your office walls. Photos, QR codes, magazines, clippings framed or not. It's all fodder for an inspiring wall to look at every day. So, adding some color to your workspace so it's looks like so beautiful. So, we hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please share this video and comment this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.